It's Knox playing with his new little rattle toy. Not really little, it's a big square. It's more eating his pants than playing with his toy. But that's our boy. What are you doing? Are you going for Auntie's papers? There they went. And now the book. Yep. Knox. 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 Hey. Knox. 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 Knox.